Does that look welcoming? Does not look welcoming. Maybe. I can see some footprints down here. Wow. I wonder how long this has been open. I came back in here about 18 months ago. This was not open. Like, closed for business. Okay, I'm just gonna look. I'm looking around like a nutcase. They must think I'm part turkey or something. I look around, I look around, I look up, I look down. I'm constantly actually looking for them. Look at this. This is interesting. Do you know what this looks like? It looks like university students have been back in here ripping out invasive species. That's what this looks like. Look at these trees, man. Is that gnarly or what? Interesting. Got a few. Clean it. Yeah, this is woodcut. This is human stuff going on here, man. Because I ain't never seen a Bigfoot with a chainsaw before. Interesting. Okay, so this is what it looks like when there's no Bigfoot. Actually, I think there's one right there. Good grief. Hey, Tansy, did you just peek at me? You peeking? Somebody's in there. Squirrel.